Yo, what's everybody on YouTube, man? It's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, y'all already know what to do, man. Hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. Not finna talk y'all ears off. Let's get straight into this unboxing. And this right here is an older pickup. It is an older pickup, man. Y'all already know this month of March is slow, man. This month of March is slow. Few pickups, so it's, it's time to go back, back in the past. Get some older stuff that you want to pick up, or some stuff you was waiting to drop. This is price drop in price, that is. And this is from GOAT. You see that GOAT verified stuff going around the box, which is real dope. And these are the Air Foamposite 1 Pro. I think this is the, wow, this is who verified it from GOAT. Dude named E, I'm guessing. And these are the Weatherman phones. Yes, these are the Weatherman phones, and yes, they came in excellent condition. No scuffs, no nothing. Oh man, thank goodness for GOAT, man. Paid like, I think like $120 for these, or $130 or something like that. And they came in excellent condition, man. Shout out to GOAT, man. Came in excellent condition. Paid like $120 for these. Look at the bottoms on them joints, man. And they have the insoles in the inside. So I'm going to do the review on this shoe. I'm going to put this one up. There you go. But I think on the inside it got two different things. Yeah, on the inside of this one it says Nike Action News. It says Nike Action News on the insole of that one. And on the insole of this one it says Flight Tracker. And I think they both have that little thunderbolt right there. But man, these are fucking fire, bro. So glad I could get these, man. They weren't trying to bite on that price at first, but nobody's looking for these, so soup these up for a steal, man. Not gonna give y'all a real in-depth look, man, but here y'all go. Bow. Y'all can see like the weather forecaster where it be telling you like the rain is where it's like heavy rain and like, blizzards or whatever. This is like the weather forecast looking idea that's going on with this shoe, man. You have like the little bubble right there with the 1 cent logo. 1 cent logo right there. You have like a tornado or something on the pull tab right here. Like a little tornado. These are fire though. Blue lacing, standard lace system. You have the little blue swoosh right here with the green outline. Midsole, you have the 1 cent. Still kind of icy, a little yellowing going on up there. You got the zoom, the zoom air unit right there. You got the blue strip with the lime green line going up the middle. These are fire, bro. And they don't stink. Nobody, the motherfucker ain't got no smelly feet. That's what's up though. Yeah, both got the lightning bolt going up the middle. And these are just a dope pickup, man. And I got them for a steal too. Came with the box. Came with insoles in the inside of them. Still kind of icy. Textured carbon fiber. You gotta legit check everything now. Stock XL, fake. They got away with some fake. Textured carbon fiber right there. Carbon fever. You feel me? And these just fire, man. So Comment down below, man, if you pick these up when they drop, man. I know this is an older pickup. Like I said, the month of March is slow, so this is the time you can go back, pick up some dope, some heat, some older heat, some stuff you was waiting like, oh, I know the price of these is gonna go down, I'm just gonna wait on them. This is this month. This is what this month is for. It's about a handful of things that I might try to go after this month. So just an older pickup, got them for a steal too. No creasing, no cracking, no scrapes, no scuffs. So definitely a dope pickup, man. We'll be giving y'all on feet of these, man. Comment down below if y'all cop these when they came out. Do y'all still want to cop them? Y'all can get them for the LO right now. And yeah, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this real quick on feet. Let's get straight into it.
I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold, baby. Look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose, and they speak on me any different. Pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze. Yeah, I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold, baby. Look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose. If they speak on me any different, pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze. Yeah, I just been on a mission. Just wanna stack my dough for the sake of my people, my dreams. They wanna kill them. For what reason, I don't know, but I still gotta get it. I did it with no permission. It's cool cause I got a flow, and I know that you feel it. I'm working on being different, and I swear I already know that I'm over these niggas. Stuck with my brother even when he failed. Hustle for years, he took care of us well. My story's so emotional to tell. Crack ain't the best, but it treated us well. Law hit the door like we know what we smell. We acting surprised, looking funny as hell. We know what it is if they come in this bitch, that we done in this bitch, and that means that we fail. I can't go, baby, that's a no, baby. That's my old lady, losing four, baby. She'll go crazy, we'll go crazy. So, nah, nigga, nah. We so drug crazy, get your head blazed, get your girl grazed. I done made a few, but I want more plays. No cap, baby, I need more plays. I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold, baby. Look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose, and they speak on me any different. Pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze. Yeah, I'm on a bigger mission. I gotta stack my dough till it never fold, baby. Look out for my ambition. Soon as I get them whole, I'ma get them sold. They gon' murder for my position. Whatever I tell them goes, know it bust a nose. If they speak on me any different, pull up and spill a load, we gon' leave them froze. Yeah,
I'm on a bigger mission. That's because I seen a bigger picture. But how could I ever forget the trenches? I stand in the motherfuckers, all they picture. My mama said, get a job, I ain't listen. She doing the same shit that got your daddy gone. Shit, I'ma hold it down till my daddy home. I walk into that money like daddy's home. I got pounds all in my kitchen. I gotta make a play, nigga, with my digit. A nigga ran it up, yeah, check the digits. Came a long way from a pound of midget. I got peace, 25 the tickets. With the sauce like a boss, I finesse the system. There's racks out here and I'm going to get them. I send them overnight, yeah, I'm going to get them. I got shooters with me like the pistol.
Yo, man, really hope y'all enjoyed that on feet, man. Comment down below if y'all like the on feet, man. Y'all like the real quick review. It wasn't like in depth because I'm pretty sure y'all seen hundreds and thousands of reviews on this shoe. This is a very older pickup, so that's why I didn't want to go too in depth. Didn't want to string the video out. But anyways, man, comment down below if y'all like the on feet real quick review, man. Like I said, did y'all cop these when they came out? Do y'all want to go back and cop these? Y'all could. They going for the LO, man. Like I always say, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, older pickup, and on feet, whatever I do, man. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.